All right, so this just launched. Okay, so the one page funnel 3.0 just launched, and I just want to introduce it to you. And you'll be asking, what's special about this product, right? Now, the first thing you need to know, it only costs $7 one time, no monthly fees. So that is very attractive, right? So and everybody in the world can afford a $7 one-time payment, no monthly fees. So that's amazing. Now this is a 100% done for you system, and when I say done for you, I mean 100% is done for you. So you don't have to literally do anything. So this is for the laziest person out there. So if you look at the funnel, all you have to do is to send traffic. That's all, right? And then look, funny enough, you can get the traffic straight here. So everything is super all done for you, right? Now let me show you. I just started, and look at already. Let me go to my affiliate area, and you can see already I've already made $49, right? And you'll be thinking, Victor, whoa, you already made $49. Now let me just show you. Let's go to the community, right? On Facebook. Now this is the community. There are over 2,000 people already there. And just look at this guy, Ratnaka. He made $453, and this just launched. Let's check another person quickly. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, Ratnaka also got $845 for a $7 product, guys. It's powerful. Look at this. This is Marius. Marius made how much? $739. So you can see why I got interested, right? For a $7 product, you could make this amount of money literally doing nothing. You are not going to do anything because this is a completely done for you system. So you don't have to do anything of your own at all. Right? So you'll be asking me, Victor, but how does this one page funnel 3.0 make you money? Now, this is what is called a CPA funnel, right? With a CPA funnel, with a CPA, which is called cost per action, you don't have to do any form of selling at all, right? And this system is done for you. So the system does all the selling, they do all the follow-up, everything for you. So all you do is to earn commissions, right? So you can earn low ticket commission, medium ticket commission, or even high ticket commission of over $500 per sale, straight from a CPA platform. You don't have to even know how the whole magic happens, right? So all you have to do is to send traffic to the system. And like I said before, you don't even have to worry about the traffic. Just come to this done for you traffic, click on it, and get traffic. Send it straight to the system. And then if a sale is made, you just make commissions, and you can make commissions from as low as $3 to as high as $500 with a $7 system, right? So that's all, right? So I don't want to say too much because this is just as simple as that. So if you want to check it out, it only costs $7 one time, no monthly fees. Just go below the link in the description here, click that link, get started. All right, so that's it. It's as simple as that. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.